I think it's very helpful we are looking at when they have failed, because many of us set the goals and we falter.
Right.
And we conclude that because we have faltered, it's a failure.
Exactly.
But once you have faltered, it's a time to also really look at your steps, sit up, encourage yourself, rise up and run again. That's number one. Number two, you should ask yourself whether you are very clear on the objectives that you set for yourself. How clear were you? And how unclear were you? Because if it is that you are too unclear about what it is you want to attain at the end of the year, clearly you'll be accelerating and going nowhere. That's important. Thirdly, how much commitment and energy do I have to stay on this matter? Because sometimes you don't have the intrinsic motivation, which is inside you, to want to carry through to the end. But you know that it's only when you have run the race to the finish line that you receive the accolade as the first, second, or third in the categories of those who have won. So there's a need for you to ask yourself, how much can I garner to be able to reach there? And lastly, who do you need, or what resources do you need to be able to achieve? And are they within reach? Because sometimes, like I said, you may need other parties to stand with you in order to achieve your own personal goals.
Yeah.
And where it is those are part of it as a factor, then you need to bring them on board in your consideration.
Okay.